But yeah, welcome back to my channel. This is just a little vlog. We have some more clips I'm gonna put together and open and enjoy them. Like my legs them pain up because my workout these days they stop for a little while because they just feel low. But I start workout back and I have a meal plan now. Yes, somebody sent me a meal plan and it make a lot of sense. A 100%. So I'm gonna use it. I just need to get those stuff that is on it. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket not this week, probably Monday, and get the stuff them with up on it so I can start like officially start. But I start like cut out. I try my best. Let me just be honest about this whole thing. So ice water I can't do without. I love ice water. Like if the water not cold and I give my brain freeze, it's like I can't enjoy it. Room temperature water is not my thing. You know, I'll drink it, but if I have ice water just now, so the ice water I go through. So what I'm gonna do is just to buy the case of the small water so I can just take out one bottle, you know, encouragement. And now I cut out sugar. I did have some honey, but I did use for like sweeten my tea with like the peppermint tea bag, but I mess up the honey. Well, I not mess it up. I make medicine with it. Let me show you now. I made medicine. This is it. I made this. So it's garlic and ginger. Alright, so yeah, so now I'm not having no honey for sweeten my tea, so I need a bottle of honey. So I'm gonna buy one next bottle. But that I made that. What if people did ask me like, Angel, where it good for, where you use it for, da. But it basically helps to like balance the immune system, and it helps with cold. You know, when you feel stuffy, your throat hurt, you just go drink one spoon of it, and I tell you, I'll go feel better. Like, you just need one spoon and you feel good. So yeah, some of them there for buy back. So that's how I'm basically up to. I have one challenge to upload. Well, by the time I see that video here, the challenge I got already up. And yeah, gonna do my hair tomorrow. So Naga can come with me to see all of that. Yeah, I need to iron these Jason Lendai clothes. So I have them here for iron. Never mind, I mismatch below them. It have a little buzz, so I just let them stay. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna wash my hair now. It's not dirty, but because you know you're gonna do it and it's braid, I'm gonna do passion twist. And because you're gonna have it in so long, you know, you just want it to be fresh and clean, because this is like the hair that I wash my hair like 6 days ago and I'm sweating on my hair. Well, not too bad these days, but I just want it to be fresh and clean. Wrap it up, go sleep. Alright, so for the people that may say, oh Angel, please do more vlogs. I love when you vlog, you have vibes, da. I really appreciate it, and I try to answer to everybody who send me their message there. You're not gonna always see vlogs from me, but whenever I get the chance to vlog something, I'll vlog. Whenever I get the chance to vlog, I'll vlog. You know, this is not a vlogging channel. If you want to watch good vlogs, just go over to Razorblade TV, because Razorblade TV do vlogs all the time. My channel are basically everything I'm doing in my life. So welcome to my little life. If I cook, I show you. If I clean, I show you. If I travel, I show you. Whatever I do, I show you. So yeah. Soon come back, mega wash my hair. Her name is Tian and she's located at shop 20. Oh, shop number 6. So shop number 6, 20 Stark Street. Yes, so shop number 6, 20 Stark Street. So if you're located in Clarendon, just come down here. They are here. She good. It look nice. First time I try passion twist, by the way. So yeah, anytime if I like it, But did have to do crochet because I could get the single one them. But not bad at all. It's not bad. I really like it. Tired of the mascara, me not lie. But not bad at all. I really like it. But I did want the single them for like braid in. Never get that. But the passion twist, the passion twist. The crochet not bad. Yeah, everybody I wonder like, Angel, where you go? Where you there here? Mega foreign. I joke me I make. I have one wedding. And you know, passion twist just nice and classy for weddings. So yeah. I might catch it up over, but the catch up here look good. When my makeup do, accessories and all, make it look like a wife. And I might wear do. And the wedding, I cannot talk about that until I get the go ahead for do it. So just know that my wedding, but I got one wedding. And the theme is blue. Not a big fan of royal blue, but you know, it have a look for me. Alright guys, so I reach over my mother. I reach over my mother. I don't know, so one time I reach over mommy food. I want food. Mommy. Come there, mommy. Oh, may I take one picture and mommy I try to share my ear. Whoa. That hairstyle like that fit you though. Let me see. Let me see how that hair. Wait, let me see how that hairstyle like that look for you. Come. Whoa. But this nice man, you have a buzz. You have a buzz, Miss Desiree. You don't want to do it?
No, too much paper. Me
take one already.
Me never see.
Me never send you it.
But me never pause.
Give me one sausage. Wow, around here cool and nice. Guys, me not like nothing drop down for me, you know. My head feel here upon them place there. So me already. The best part about it, it not heavy. Well. It's heavy, but it's not too heavy. Read this. How much would a woodchuck come? Come, right here.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck as much. He would chuck as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck could wood. If a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Please, no! No!
Man, not even say that. Mommy, the flowers that look good, you know? Hey, I want one piece of that.
Which one?
This, that. I want one piece of that. The flowers there were nice.
And
flowers.
like a teeny piece and that goes
on. Doodoo. No?
I don't know one different here, this or so.
All of them are the same. Check out the tin.
I'm supposed to drink water.
Come, I couldn't make up my mind.
Ginger beer. There's a lot of things you want to drink.
I couldn't make up my mind.
Then come here drink lyrics.
Good. It doesn't chat out my business and I am up on a diet.
Really? You know, they say that they made me on turkey.
Mommy, I have one ex-boyfriend.
The name Jason too?
No. Mark. Say I want to meet you. You want to meet him?
No.
Why?
You said like come love Jason and get used to him. All if you Jason feel like meet one next man, must come hard.
Excuse me?
Forget
Excuse me?
Of course. And no matter how hard he come, Jason go always welcome at me yard and I go begs.
Excuse me?
If I go begs because if I go see and Jason left and me and Jason still can come at me yard. No matter
this Jason 1 year?
Well, let me tell God no. If it happens that Satan should have intervened, I don't know, that should have happened. I don't know, I couldn't accept man, so honestly.
Well, me have one boyfriend. You have to go live with it.
Keep him to yourself.
Yeah. Mother and daughter. Mommy, mother and daughter.
Yeah.
Mother and daughter.
And mother.
So grandmother, mother.
Grandchild.
Guys, it's a blessing when you have your grandmother and your mother alive. Praise the Lord. Me have my grandfather alive too. Everybody alive. Thank you, Jesus. God is good. What a mighty God. Please. I dropped my mother with the extraness. Mommy just ready to say extra. Come, mama ear soft.
What am I?
Guys, look on them out here I wanna buy. Have it over here. Mommy, I know so they have grey bread for true. And I like me I tell.
Nobody know why this is
When
white.
you wake up, you're going to be bald.
Mama, your skin pretty, you know?
You cut out the hair and
Mama, your skin clean and pretty.
And you know pretty again.
Look how my mother tight. I come like poor.
I'm Titus.
Mommy. Why?
From here, I will cut off.
No.
Mommy,
Mommy, oh, you manage to be so tight. You're just tight and gummy. You stay good. Your ears stay good. Right now, I'm going to Oscar the outside, so I'm going to look something for teeth. Bye. Let's see what they have here. Digestive. I can't warm this. Mango. I can't warm this too. Oh, guys, me turn on the light. My grandma gave me some bowls. She gave me a plate, bowl. And them cute. Like, let me tell you something, guys. This one time when a grandmother go to something, I best feeling ever. Like, I'm gonna keep them here forever. And she give me one for me and one for Jason. Matching bowls. This cute little one, I have something like this already. And this one comes with a cover. I'm glad. I appreciate them. What do y'all? I not go away. I not go. I just go shop and come back. I just go shop and come back.
Don't carry a bag.
But I have to carry my bag in there money there. Guys, how can carry home? How can carry home? I can carry home my teddy bear. I took up all our teddy bear now in the room. I want a teddy bear. Oh, I'm not seeing a teddy bear. Hey, I did go show you something, you know, but you're not going to believe me. When I did go primary school, I did a champion girl. Like, I could have run. Fast. I'm going to get you. Alright, come and ask mommy. Mommy, went to basic school. I got a trophy. What I got it for? I never did a champion girl for running.
Oh, yeah.
Tell him something could have run now. Slim thing. When I was smaller, I couldn't read. So I couldn't read when I was small. Like both 5. Couldn't read at age 5. But my mother and my auntie them used to spell word like them would say. Just example like them would say M-A-N. You know when they talk about things, I would always know it, you know. And then after now, my mother meet my stepfather. I tell her my stepfather strict, you know. So if me not take up my book, it's like me can't eat no breakfast. I tell her the man that I best thing what happened to my life. Him and my mother together, I tell you, like the best thing for we. You hear me? I tell her 2 of them put together. And I owe them everything. So my stepfather would say, like him would just come in. Me dinner him come in and him say 3 3s, 4 4s. And I tell him I have to know it, and I say, it's a timetable, I did good on timetable. So you see maths, I did always could have do maths. You know? I never did my favorite, but I could have do maths. And then my mother would have come and ensure so me I do my schoolwork. You see, my mother good on story writing. My mother good on them stuff there. So it's like them they just push me, and then after that I could have like can read and stuff like that. So yeah. stepfather is a good stepfather, I'm not lie. I not even consider him as my stepfather, I'm my father. He's my dad. Whoa, mini mango. How much you mini mango? And Chalky give me mini mango.
You sell it for 250. They sweet na
250 for mini mango. Who buy mini mango? I miss my bed. This used to be my bunk bed. Me and my cousin bed. My favorite cousin. My favorite boy cousin. This used to be my bed. Joel, me don't have bottom. This is my bunk. Me I can't want my bunk bed. More my bed. Memories. And then the visitor used to sleep over here, so emotional. Guys, look what my mother have in her purse. It's so sweet. Sweet, innocent Angel BB Ram. Just for you. Hey girl. I'm proud of you. Hi guys, good morning. This is just wake up. Oh, so cute.
Yeah, them fatter than a pum pum.
My one? Yours?
Mine.
Fatter than mine?
Yeah, them.
Yes, it's fatter than mine.
Remember.
Alright guys, so we just wake up. I'm not lie, I'm tired. Guys, I like my hairstyle, but I'm not a big fan of crochet. So everybody will go ask me like, Angel, what you did, do crochet them or put them in, like braid them in? It's crochet, but they really want to put in the one them where you just braid in, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of it, but it needs, but just with my type of hair, like the front, it I could just always roll out and curl up and stuff like that. And I don't really like that because I have a lot of hair out of the front of my head. So I feel like this I could just pull up quick. Which it I go pull up because when I wash my face, when I sleep, all of that. Because my hair easy for draw out of the front. Easy. Not like pick out, you know, but just loosen and just the all over the place. But it's alright. Once I have my edge control and stuff, I will try to like groom it. Groom it, you understand? I went to a wedding. I'm not sure if I want to post the clips. I would have to ask first because I know you have to respect people's privacy. And yeah, it was good. The bride was beautiful. Nah lie. Yeah. So now I just wake up, make a workout. I don't know if I telling us I'm a workout every morning. Well, the other day I stop for like a week. A week or two, I think or two, but I did stop, but now I'm back at it. So I go just work out, show you what I do, but I go just put on my stuff them for exercise now. All right. And yes, I have on a sweat belt. I always wear the sweat belt before I start exercise. Well, before I did have the sweat belt, I normally just exercise. But since I get the sweat belt, it's good. I'm not lie. I gotta start right now because I have a busy day ahead. Alright guys, so I just finished workout. Whew, that felt good. Nothing too much, you know, just to start off my day. I made some juice yesterday. I made cucumber, carrot, and pineapple. Alright, so this one is for me. Just one in the fridge. I'm gonna put no sugar in my one. Just so I can make it stay like that. You know what, I got taste insipid. I might put 2 spoons of honey in it, but if you can drink so, we just drink it like that. I don't know if I thought I said cold. I did put it for towel. So I just wake up. Alright, so I go cool off first. And then bed. Puppy, you alright? Every morning him come lay down. Every morning him come lay down right here, so excited. It's like if you know, so we come outside, you now move. Puppy, alright? Hungry? Guys, I know I'm not gonna call me wasteful, but I can't. Oh, you're on my titty. I can't do no better. Eat Russia kill me. Babe, be careful of what you cut. You look like you have too much fun. Watch out. Just you know you be extra. My feet.
Feel like that man there, I see my definitely sprinkle the salt.
Guys, Eat Russia kill me. I can't keep it. I never did know that the climate I got to take a turn for me. Just stop. But yeah, Eat Russia kill me. I can't keep it in no longer. At least I did wear the hairstyle for the event, because that's the hairstyle I really wanted to wear. Oh, we are on.
Stop fighting, man.
I'm a titty.
So when this
Guys,
done,
my neck,
this done, baby, I see a whole
my
of
neck
yours or something.
bump up bad. My neck and right in here, so my hand. Like creases.
I'm tired to see you do this throughout a relationship. Start by a wig here. Start buying wigs. Because it don't make sense, man. Don't chew me backside, man. I'm not going to spend no more of my hard-earned money for no hairs to wear for you. This, when you're married, you can put on a wing if you want here. But
put on a what?
A wing or a wig, whichever one of them they call it. I'm going to tell you this, sir. Kiana spend $6,000 for somebody going to if you wear it for one day. For what? After
babe, I wear.
Yeah, audition for guys.
Babe.
Yeah, audition for guys.
Babe, I wore this hairstyle for a week.
Week what?
It's from Friday.
I went down in front of wedding done to backside. Me can't sleep in a piece because be a nice house, man. Here. You have to have to go here. You never know, say here.
Babe, it made me hot, guys. Like, me wear ears so long already, you know. But that one here does make me hot. And me make my neck bump up, and I can't deal with that. Growing up, my neck always bump up because me have bad eczema. And if I feel it hot again, me have to take it off.
I see the ear hot.
Just me not understand how you cut like a pork.
Oh. Like a pork.
Guys, I'm gonna end off my vlog right here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Wish me luck. When we get up, I have ear on my head because just not have fun with the scissors. Me eat money extra.
Yeah, black out the light. Put on the phone that distract me.
Lie.
Say.
Bye guys.